Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. Before you replace the high-limit thermostat on the heating element in your washer-dryer combo, be sure to unplug the power cord or shut off the power supply. Use a Phillips head screwdriver to unthread the screws, securing the lower access panel. Detach the panel and set it aside. Insert a putty knife above the front access panel to release the spring clips to detach the panel. Remove the lint screen. Next, use a 5/16" socket or nut driver to unthread the screws to release the air duct. Unthread the 4 screws securing the heater shield. Detach the shield. For greater ease in replacing the thermostat, you can detach the heating element housing. Use a 5/16" wrench to unthread the screw, securing the housing bracket to the right side support bracket. Now use a 1/4" socket or nut driver to unthread the mounting screws, securing the high-limit thermostat. Disconnect the wires. Install the new high-limit thermostat by first connecting the wires to the terminals. Align the thermostat on the heating element housing and thread the screws. Reposition the housing on the rear duct and thread the screw to secure the housing bracket to the support bracket. Reposition the heater shield and secure it with the 4 screws. Realign the air duct and thread the screws to secure. Replace the lint screen. Align the front access panel spring clips with the slots and snap the panel into place. Reposition the lower access panel and secure it with the screws. Plug the power cord back in or restore the power supply, and your washer-dryer combo should be ready for use.